Hey guys, welcome to Zoe's Garden. Today I'm going to talk about using Epsom salt or magnesium sulfate in your garden. I have this persimmon tree and it looks like, I'm not 100% sure, it looks like it might have a magnesium deficiency. Now the leaves are curled up and turned brown. And this is a native persimmon tree, and this is my Fuyu Persimmon, and it's starting to have, if I can get up there, the same issues. And I'm gonna try the Epsom salt and see how they do. And this is the Epsom salt I got right here. I just sprinkle a couple tablespoons on the base and watered it in. And I'll follow up in a couple weeks and see if the leaves green up and the new leaves are actually green and not curled over. And this is my fig tree, and I'm thinking it has a magnesium deficiency also, and its leaves are turning yellow, not quite dark green as I like. So I'll put some Epsom salt, a couple of tablespoons, and water it in on the base. And just like the persimmon tree, I'll follow up in a couple weeks and give you guys an update and see how they do. This is the brown turkey fig. Thanks for watching. If you like it, please subscribe or share it. Bye, y'all.